Hello and welcome to our fourth video. On this video, I'm going to briefly go through the steps of registering to TCC Network using my link. The link is in the description. You can click the link, and when you click that link, it will exactly bring you to this page. On this page, you are going to give the three names as in your identity card. Username, you create it using small letters. Don't put any capital letter, it will not accept. You create your own password. Don't accept the passwords created by the system. So if you get to this step, the system will generate a very strong password for you. Please reject that and click on create my own password. Then after that, you put your email and your phone number. Then if you clicked my link directly, you will not have to put this because it will already be there. So this baby trump is my referral code, and what you'll do is you make sure it is there, then you click sign up. After sign up, the system will load load, and in few seconds or a minute it will log you out. Then you will have to log in. On new login, you will click here, type your account, and then you put the password you had put. Then you click OK. After clicking this OK, you will see a pop-up here asking you to save the password. You will click save the password because that's your device and you don't need to be putting the password anytime. But remember that password because it's just like your wallet password. You have to keep it safe. In case you lose it, you will not come back into the app and mine. So, in case you lose your phone and you get a new device, you will not be able to log in. So, keep your password safe. Then, after clicking OK, it will bring you to the mining page. On this mining page, it will delay for some times. By the time of making this video, the app is under development, and immediately after logging in, you will not see these figures. It will show 0, 0, 0, 0 everywhere. Even if I log out now and log in, it will just display some 0, 0, 0 all over. So don't worry. When you see that, you just give it time. But during as it loads, keep on clicking here. Click here. Even if it shows right here where my cursor is, it will show mining. Please make sure you don't stop there because you've just seen that mining. It is not mining. Wait until you see the figures here are moving, and this figure must be moving. And when you click this, it takes you to a mining app. Let me go and open my app direct and show you from my app. You see, when you open it, immediately it shows 0. Then it has shown the figures. So after this, to know you are mining, you have to see these figures moving, and when you click this, you see a 24-hour countdown session which has just started. So right here it will be 29 minutes, 23 hours, 59. No, mine was continuing. That's why you are seeing 8 hours too. So that's all. Use the link in the description to log in, to register, and you mine. And I shall make a video on how to invite your friends. So far, you can see I have invited a few guys, and among them 52 are mining. So good luck, man. Let's meet on the other video. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to this channel, hit bell button, and like the video so that you may not miss any video I'm making. Bye bye.